Do you have an exterminator visit your house monthly? I bet that is pretty expensive. Termites damage over 600,000 homes and cause up to $5 billion worth of damage in the US each year. I know for a fact that if you invest in our paint away termites, that you will save a ton of money. Our anti-termite paint kills and repels termites instantly. As soon as a termite is in contact with the wood that has our paint on it, it will die. No need for an exterminator. We also are beginning to work on a paint that works in different climates and on different types of termites. This is our innovative and naturally inspired design. We have created an anti-termite paint that follows the responsible design method that does not affect the surrounding environment.